How's it going, everybody? This is Tim from sneakeraccessories.com. We're here today to do an unboxing video for you. My buddy picked up a pair of Jordan 1s, the Define Coutures that dropped back in February. These things are real dope. They sold out real fast. He was lucky enough to get a pair. We'll get a close-up look at the different sides, get a close-up look at the colorway, the stitching, the insole, and the bottom of the shoe, so you can make a decision if you want to pick these up for yourself. At the end of the video, what we'll do is we'll show you a different lace combination in the shoe. That way you can take what's already a rare shoe, really make it something of your own, one of a kind. Full disclosure, my buddy did open the box as soon as he got these things to have a look at them. I do not blame the guy. These things are dope. So with that said, let's get this thing open and have a look. Pop these things open. All right. So anyone who's picked up a pair of ones before, know that the quality of the leather on these things is incredible. I can tell you just from opening the box here, I could smell the sneaker. There is no better smell in the world than a brand new sneaker. So you have the classic University Red from Nike, a stripe that starts just behind the toe box here, wraps around the shoe to the other side. The rest of the sneaker is black, and you can see the sole is an off-white or cream. The colorway I believe is called muslin. But this appears to be a very high quality sneaker. So stitching looks on point. You can see this black stitching that runs right through the swoosh and the red stripe. On the other side, you have your classic Air Jordan imprint at the top of the high top there. The tag at the top of the tongue is a University Red and black Nike Air tag. These things are real dope. The black leather has a bit of a sheen to it, which is nice because it gives you a little bit of a pop. The bottom of the sole is your classic Jordan 1 sole. These things are hot. I picked these up. Let's take a look at the, man, even these are dope. So the insole, you guys could see that, is a University Red insole with the Nike Air logo. Smells amazing. These are dope sneakers. So it's no wonder they sold out. So we mentioned before about switching the colorway of the laces. The black laces come stock in this. So I think with a pair of sneakers like this, what I'll try and do is rather than, it's going to be tough to match the red. White's not going to go because you got an off-white, the muslin sole. So what I'll probably do is throw in a pair of khakis just so you guys could see a little bit of a different look. So I'll be back in just 1 second so you guys could have something to compare it to. So as you can see, I laced these up, one with the black stock laces, and then I threw a pair of khaki laces in here. I think I actually like the look of the khaki lace a little bit better. It helps the muslin sole pop out a little bit. We sell these laces as well as a whole series of other color laces at sneakeraccessories.com. The other thing that you probably want to consider is picking up a decreaser for the toe box of the Jordan 1s. If you guys have worn these in the past, you know that after just a couple wears, they end up creasing pretty bad up here. And we have a product that'll take care of that for you, listed right on the site. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing these Coutures today. Feel free to like and subscribe. That way you can stay up to date on all the new content that we drop. Feel free to visit sneakeraccessories.com to see the different products that we offer. Thanks for watching today, guys.